I turned 60 this week. It's pretty hard to comprehend. It's incredible how quickly 51 to 60 goes. So I'm making this video for those of you who are turning 50. This is all the things that I wish I knew, and I'm going to share them with you. So it's going to be just pretty casual video of me sharing random thoughts. You've lived long enough to know what is worth holding on to and what is not. Be discerning. Let go of perfectionism and not caring what people think about you. Let go of the fear of being seen, and also the pressure to fade into the background. I was reading a study about why we have grandmothers, because the life expectancy of women is longer than that of men. But once we're past our childbearing years, or even through menopause, what's next? Society would have you think that we're washed up, but we continue to live for many years, even longer than men. This study considered the importance of grandmothers and how they pass on their knowledge to the next generation. And that doesn't mean that you literally have to be a grandmother or even have children. It means that women, as they get older, have an important role in society. Find out why you're still here. What lights you up? What do you still want to do? What do you want to share with the world? You have decades of experience. Share your knowledge and your gifts. Your wisdom is your legacy. Be unapologetically authentic, which means being who you are and not who you think you should be. Pursue your passions, make art, travel, learn new things. You have the right to take up space. Remember that. So don't let anyone put you in a box or in a corner or in a subservient role. Beauty isn't a race against time. You can be beautiful inside and out at any age. Embrace your power and your strength that has carried you through many storms and celebrated all of your triumphs throughout the years. Not everyone takes the same path, and not everyone ages at the same rate. There's a vast difference in the way people age. So some of that comes down to genetics, but a lot of that comes down to lifestyle. Take care of your body. You'll need it to be functioning well as you get older. Work on your balance, pick up some hand weights, do some stretching, and stay flexible. You will start to notice that it gets a little bit harder to walk downstairs. Now, you're going to think that this isn't going to happen to you, but it will. So stay limber. There are some biological facts that we just can't ignore. Your skin is going to change. Crepe is going to come out of nowhere. It just shows up one day. It doesn't matter how much lotion or moisturizer you use. Your sleep will change. I used to sleep like a hibernating bear. But now I wake up naturally at 9 o'clock. Once my body gets its 7 hours, it's up. My eyesight is getting a little worse. So make sure you get your eyes checked. It gets a little more difficult to drive at night. The headlights of the cars have a different effect on my eyes than they did when I was younger. Your tastes will change, and certain foods may start to bother you. Now that I'm a little older, caffeine bothers me, and sometimes dairy does too. Random body parts start hurting, sometimes just from sleeping weird. Now a lot of that comes down to inflammation. Eating an anti-inflammatory diet will help with this. Watch some of my videos about the Mediterranean diet. It will help. You will experience some ageism in the workplace. It's very difficult to find a job when your resume says that you're over 50. Sad but true. Start planning for retirement beyond financial planning. What do you want to do with your time? You are not slowing down. You are just getting started on a new, exhilarating chapter. You'll find that advertising, beauty ads, fashion magazines are all geared to a younger generation. Pop culture is not interested in you. It is not for you. You will not understand the slang of the time, and you probably won't understand the music. But you know what? Our generation had the best music anyway. Love yourself fiercely, prioritize your well-being, and surround yourself with a group of women who support you and inspire you and each other. It's time to step into your spotlight.